Karibu tena and welcome to lesson 2.3, Search Engine Optimization Theory. In this lesson, you will learn what SEO actually is, the 3 things that make it work, the 4 types of search intent, and the 6 on-page SEO elements you must get right on every page you ever publish. By the end of the next 5 minutes, you will understand why Nyakinyua Kitchen ranks first on Google and how Sarah can beat them. SEO, Search Engine Optimization, is the practice of improving your website's visibility in the organic and paid results of search engines like Google. When someone in Eldoret types lunch delivery Eldoret into Google and Nyakinyua Kitchen's website appears first, that is the result of good SEO. When Sarah's site does not appear at all, that is the result of no SEO. The good news: SEO is a skill anyone can learn. The bad news: it takes 3 to 6 months of consistent work before you see real results. Start today, not next month. Every SEO effort rests on 3 pillars. Keywords: the words people actually type into Google when looking for what you sell. Content: the pages, blog posts, and product descriptions of your website that use those keywords well. And links: other websites that link to yours, which Google reads as votes of confidence. Miss one pillar, and your ranking suffers. Get all 3 right, and even a small business in Eldoret can outrank a national chain. Keywords are words your customers use, not the words you use. Sarah calls her food artisan lunch. Nobody in Eldoret searches for artisan lunch. They search for lunch delivery near me, or cheap lunch Eldoret, or office lunch delivery Kenya. Keyword research finds what people actually type. The professional tool is Google Keyword Planner, free, inside Google Ads. Alternatives: Uber Suggest for beginners, SEMrush and Ahrefs for professionals. Always research before you write. Never write, then guess. Not every search wants the same thing. There are exactly 4 types of search intent. Informational: how does SEO work? The searcher wants to learn. Navigational: Facebook login. The searcher wants to go to a specific site. Commercial: best WordPress hosting Kenya. The searcher wants to compare before buying. Transactional: order pizza online Nairobi. The searcher wants to buy right now. For most small businesses like Karibu Kitchen, the main keywords are the last 2, commercial and transactional. Those searchers are ready to spend. Big competitive keywords like food delivery are impossible to rank for as a small business. Long-tail keywords are the answer. A long-tail keyword is 4 or more words. Lunch delivery Eldoret CBD is a long-tail keyword. Vegetarian lunch delivery Elgonview is a long-tail keyword. Fewer people search each one, but the ones who do are ready to buy. And you can actually rank on page 1. One long-tail keyword at number 1 is worth more than 5 short-tail keywords at number 40. Once you have your keywords, 6 elements on every page must be right. 1. The page title, the headline in the browser tab and in Google results. 50 to 60 characters, keyword at the start. 2. The URL, clean, lowercase, hyphenated, descriptive. 3. The meta description, a short summary shown under the title in Google. 120 to 160 characters. 4. Heading tags, H1 for the main heading, only 1 per page, H2 and H3 for the subsections. 5. Alt text. Every image needs a text description for the screen readers and for Google. 6. Relevant. Well-structured content for at least 300 words. That is SEO theory. Keywords, content, links. 4 intents, 6 on-page elements. Do this on every page, every time. In the next module, part 3, we switch from web presence to social media. Which platforms Sarah should join, which she should ignore, and how to build a social profile that customers take seriously. See you in 3.1. Karibu tena.